Hi guys, my name is Ume and in today's video I will be talking to you about the Agaro Grand Egg Boiler and Poacher. This has made my breakfast routine so effortless and how. So let me tell you a little more about it. The Agaro Grand Egg Boiler and Poacher has the capacity to boil 8 eggs at once and the capacity to poach 4 eggs at once. Not just that, but it can also be used to steam vegetables with ease. This egg boiler cum poacher needs 500 watt of power to operate. Depending on your preferences, it can boil eggs soft, medium and hard. All you have to do is to pour in the required amount of water as per the measuring cup to get the desired boil type. It also has a heating plate, a food-grade transparent top cover and a stainless steel body. As piercing the eggs with the pin keeps the eggs from cracking while they are being cooked, the appliance therefore includes a measuring cup with a piercing pin. The egg boiler also has a poacher tray that helps you to get the desired poach by pouring in water up to max level. It automatically switches off after the egg boil reaches its desired level of cooking or when the water runs out for added safety. This product is very easy to use, clean and maintain. So now that you know how handy this device is when it comes to boiling or poaching egg or steaming vegetables, a good, healthy, nutritious breakfast is literally minutes away. So what are you waiting for? Go get yourself one now.
Presenting the Amazon Basics electric egg boiler cooks eggs perfectly every time. This compact and convenient egg boiler is thoughtfully designed for any kitchen. It has auto shutoff and an LED indicator for hands-free boiling. The measuring cup lets you customize soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs. Quality construction including stainless steel and durable plastic ensures reliability. Watches up to 7 eggs boil to perfection. The simple interface makes operation easy. For perfect boiled eggs with no fuss, the Amazon Basics egg boiler is the perfect solution.